Hello, scrappers. Yeah, I went after a load of barrels today. I was getting pretty low on these open tops, and I got a over-the-road driver wanting 5. That's what I got left here. So I thought, okay, and a few other people have been kind of wanting them, so thought I'd better get down and get some. Been selling them here. My overflow trailer holds 20. I got 4 barrels on it, so I'm gonna have to get busy and get some drained. But that might be slow going for a day or two. It's supposed to rain pretty much all day tomorrow, come in tonight. So I already went down and picked up the barrels, so I'll show that load. And I got 17 open tops. I'm gonna unload them up by the shop. Try to drain a couple of them tonight. So we'll get down there and we'll get busy unloading. Okay, I still got a few barrels here from that first batch I picked up last fall I guess it was. Probably winter, yeah. The 220. And then of course I picked up a small little load in there, and this is what I picked up about 6 weeks ago. So I pulled a few out of that, and this is what the load looks like today. Got 6 of the open tops in the back of the truck, and there's 11 on the trailer, and then there's 35 tight heads, like the red ones I got to cut the tops out of. So altogether on the truck and trailers, 52. So not a bad load. I'm going to get the tripod set up here, and I think I'm going to go ahead and take care of all the straps, and then we'll get back into then I'll start videoing, but I don't think I need a video unhooking the strap. So Okay, got them up, unloaded there. So I got some work ahead of me. I think Sunday I'll try to get a bunch of these red ones up there and drain them, cut the tops out. So I got 11 here on the back of the trailer. I'm going to unload all these up there by the shop because I'm going to get a couple inside the shop draining tonight. I got room where I can get a couple in there to drain. And then let them drain overnight, then put the tops on them in the morning, early afternoon, and start draining 2 more. And then pull them off Sunday morning, and then Sunday try to get some more red ones up there. I made 14 foam balls the other day and used most of the A component. I had 2 full buckets of B component and about a bucket of A component. So got the B in the white drums. So mainly I need the B or A component right now to get caught up some and get the other bucket empty, and then I'm going to get a lot of the B with these things. So get them out in the stack. And then I think what do they say? About Wednesday or so we got rain coming again, so only get a couple of days in there to really try to get something drained. So I may not get a long way, but I'll get 4, maybe 8 of the red ones up there, and then go from there. Hopefully I don't get myself in trouble on this. Anyway, I want to thank everybody for watching, and hope you enjoyed the video. I don't think I need to put on there unloading these off of there and just piling them up there by the shop. But probably unload the trailer, then drop the trailer, then come back and unload the truck. Be the easiest way. Still got a ways to go out here, getting stuff out of here. So we'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. Happy scrapping, folks. Bye-bye.